Welcome to Devon Creek, where community is a way of life. Every home detail is meticulously crafted to elevate your lifestyle to new heights. We feature a variety of home styles to fit your needs and preferences, including villas, estates, terraces, townhomes, and cottages. At the heart of the community lies a state-of-the-art clubhouse that offers endless opportunities to connect, unwind, and celebrate life together. Whether you're hitting the gym, lounging by the pool, or simply swimming away your worries, there's something for everyone to enjoy. At Devon Creek, your dream home isn't just a house. It's a sanctuary where comfort meets elegance, meticulously designed together with you by the Keystone Custom Homes design team to reflect your unique style and personality. Explore the beauty of the outdoors along the many local rail trails, where every winding path leads to new adventures and breathtaking vistas. Dive into the vibrant arts and culture scene, as well as the rich history of Lancaster, with visits to iconic landmarks like the Lancaster Science Factory, the Demuth Museum, and the historic Fulton Theater, where every corner reveals a piece of the city's rich heritage and artistic spirit. Conveniently located just minutes away from major highways, top-rated schools, and bustling shopping centers, Devon Creek offers the perfect blend of convenience and tranquility. Your home journey begins here, and your dream home awaits.